Hello friends, welcome to SSGN Technologies. Today we are looking forward to the top 10 technologies that will rule the IT sector in 2022. If you are an IT grad or an aspiring IT professional who want to upskill his skills, then this video is for you. Please press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get the latest IT careers update and keep watching this video in which we will talk about top 10 technologies and their recruiters. Number 10, robotics. Robotic process automation. The cost cutting and excellence in operation is a key to challenge for the organization. RPA is a way to automate repetitive and often rules based process. The process of automating business operations with the help of robots to reduce human interventions. It can be used for transacting process and data manipulation and across multiple machines. It also improves customer satisfaction and it allows to do more with the less. Number 9, augmented reality and virtual reality. The AR adds digital element to a live view, often by using the camera or a smartphone, while the VR implies a complete immersion experience that shuts out the physical world. Nowadays, AR and VR used in shopping, education, and games, and the popular game Pokemon Go is an example of AR. Number 8, Big Data. This technology helped the Germany to win the World Cup. How? According to a Flick 2012, about 50 students at the German Sports University had poured countless hours of footage to note the running pattern, reaction to fouls, and every aspect that can be quantified. This will help to solve the problems that are associated with the massive volume of structured and unstructured data and improve customer service and operational efficiency. Number 7, quantum computing. It performs calculations based on the probability of an object state before it is measured instead of just 1 or 2, which means they have the potential to process exponentially more data compared to classical computer. The application of the computing is in cybersecurity, drug development, financial modeling, and traffic optimization. Number 6, 5G networks. It is the fifth generation of cellular networks up to 100 times faster than 4G. It is creating never before seen opportunities for people and business. It runs on the same radio frequencies that are currently being used for your smartphone or Wi-Fi networks and in satellite communication, but it enables the technology to go a lot further. Number 5, IoT. Internet of Things, one of the most dynamic and exciting development in the information and communication technology is the advent of Internet of Things. IoT is an ecosystem of connected physical objects that are accessible through the internet. This will help to control the devices like home appliances, cars through anywhere in the world. The application of IoT can be seen in security, smartphones, and in smart cities. Number 4, cyber security. Days are gone when we need to gun to threat someone. Now you are just few clicks away to become a victim of cyber threat. Organizations hire information and network security experts to prevent the data loss and financial loss to the organization. The demand of the cybersecurity professionals are increasing rapidly. Number 3, blockchain. The blockchain is the simplest terms a time-spent series of immutable record of data that is managed by a cluster of computers not owned by any single entity. Each of these blocks of data are secured and bound to each other using cryptographic principles. Number 2, cloud computing. With rapidly increasing data, it is difficult for the organizations to manage, process, and store the data. Moreover, organizations don't want to invest more on the infrastructure, so the cloud makes it a way. So the business too are shifting towards cloud computing technologies like IoT, big data, DevOps are alive due to the presence of the cloud. The list has been taught by none other than artificial intelligence. It is an area of computer science that emphasizes the creation of intelligent machines that work and react like humans. You may have heard of Google Assistant or have seen a duplex call between two artificial intelligence systems, all made by the artificial intelligence engineers and machine learning experts. Now you can imagine why this technology top in our list. Organizations which are hiring for these technologies are IBM, TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, Cubus Technologies, HSBC, E&Y, Airbnb, Tesla, Amazon, Google, Meta, with an average starting salary of 12 to 16 lakh per annum. If you want to learn any of these technologies or want to know which technology suits you, you can enroll now at SSGN Technologies.